Check this out, this is Makita's 12 volt 3x360 green line laser. And this laser projects 3 lines from the 3 different axes. Each line is 360 degrees and they're green beam, which means they're very easy to see in a well lit space, particularly indoors. And they've also got a really simple control panel. Your power button there turns the laser on, and it also cycles through the 3 beams or any combination of those 3 beams to suit your needs. You then just press and hold that power button to turn the laser off. Beside the power button is a brightness button. It's got 3 brightness settings for all 3 lasers. The lowest setting is the more economical for longer runtime, while the highest setting gives you brightest visibility for well-lit spaces. And with all 3 beams running on the highest brightness setting, you'll get 7 hours of continuous runtime with that included 2 amp hour battery in the combo kit, or if you buy a 4 amp hour battery separately, you can get 14 hours of continuous runtime. Now just down the base of that side of the laser is the pendulum lock. You want to lock the pendulum whenever you're storing or transporting the laser. You can also lock the pendulum if you need to strike up any specific angle on a wall. Otherwise, when you disengage that pendulum lock, it auto levels all 3 beams almost instantly. The laser's set on this sort of 1-inch thick deck here that has a micro adjustment on the side. That means you can dial in those plumb lines perfectly. The laser mount has got a couple of legs that you can fold out for added stability on a flat surface. It's also got a couple of very strong magnets in the rear, so you can attach it to steel stud or any other magnetic surface. The mount's also got a 1/4 and a 5/8 adapter built into it, so it will suit just about any tripod. It's available by itself, or it also comes in a combo kit with mount, 2 amp hour battery and charger, and a soft carry case for storage and transport. This laser is not just easy to use, it's accurate and it's easy to see with an effective visual range of up to 35 meters on max, depending on the lighting conditions. It's available now at all Sydney Tools stores in the Makita aisle, or go to sydneytools.com.au for more information. As always, if you have any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.